Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials: SQL Developer and a working JDK, plus DB host, port, and service name. Open SQL Developer and create a new connection. Enter your username, password, host, port, and service, then click Test. Once the connection reports success, save and connect so you can access the schema. Navigate the connections tree to find the table or view you need to extract from. This gets you directly into the data workspace without wasting time on unrelated setup. Now you prepare the extraction query. Open a SQL worksheet and write a select that lists explicit columns rather than asterisk, then add a where clause to limit rows to what you actually need. Use bind variables or ronum/limit to preview small samples. This saves time and memory. Once done, format the SQL and run it with Control+Enter. Review the results grid to confirm data types, nulls, and sample values, so your export will match expectations and downstream consumers. To finish, export directly from the results grid. Right-click and choose Export, then pick formats such as CSV, XLSX, or SQL insert statements and set encoding. Specify delimiters, include headers if needed, choose the file path, and click OK to start. Monitor the export progress and verify the file contents when complete. If something goes wrong, check disk space, network timeouts, and query memory usage. If necessary, rerun using smaller batches or add a where clause to segment the export and avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.